This is where I go for the chicken and Josh is here. Shh. What are you doing? What game are you playing on?
Why? I don't know what the hell that was.
It's a chicken. Chicken!
Jade, seriously.
I don't think Josh likes it. Am I putting you off yet?
Dude, you put me off. No.